Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the brand new Sony SS-CS5M2 3-way 3-driver high-res bookshelf speakers, the 2025 model. Before we jump in, make sure to check the link below to grab yours today at the best discounted price available. If you're looking for a powerful upgrade to your audio setup, you're going to love these. The SS-CS5M2 continues Sony's tradition of delivering rich, detailed sound in a compact bookshelf form factor, but this year's model takes things up a notch. These are 3-way, 3-driver speakers, which means you get a dedicated tweeter, a dedicated woofer, and a super tweeter working together for a more accurate, full-range sound. The result? Sparkling highs, warm mids, and tight, controlled bass that make everything from classical music to high-energy rock sound incredible. One standout feature here is the high-res audio certification. That's a big deal if you stream or play high-quality tracks. You're hearing the music exactly as the artist intended, with all the subtle details intact. The new 5.12-inch woofer with reinforced mica cellular cone handles low frequencies with more depth and punch, while the 0.98-inch soft dome tweeter and 0.75-inch super tweeter deliver crisp, extended highs up to 50 kHz, perfect for high-definition audio formats. Build quality is classic Sony, solid MDF cabinets with internal bracing to reduce unwanted resonance, giving you cleaner, more accurate sound. And despite their compact size, these bookshelf speakers can fill a medium-sized room with ease, making them perfect for both music listening and home theater setups. Connectivity is straightforward, just pair them with a good amplifier or receiver, and you're set. Whether you're using them as standalone stereo speakers or as part of a surround sound setup, they'll integrate beautifully. Overall, the Sony SS-CS5M2 offers an amazing balance of premium audio quality, beautiful design, and reasonable pricing. If you want detailed, high-resolution sound in a compact package, these should definitely be on your shortlist. Check the link below now to grab yours at the best discounted price today, before this 2025 model sells out.